forward lunge with a double dumbbell row. You're going to step forward, pick up the dumbbells, a nice straight position, hurdler's lunge, and we're going to get 2 rows, bringing those dumbbells right to your pockets. Pull, release, pull, release. Now we're going to lean over, put those down, step on back for the reverse lunge. We got a forward lunge. We're going to pick those weights up, engage the lower back, hams, glutes, double row. Notice the form on the row, and release, and alternating. Once again, we're picking up the dumbbells, squeezing the scapula, pull it 2 times to the pockets. Good, and rest. Weights down, stepping back for the reverse lunge. Notice we're alternating steps. Notice ladies keeping her abs engaged, got a nice straight line, and pull, and rest. Sure to get the heart rate up, working a lot of muscles here, quads, glutes, lower back, and now we're getting the rows, getting the lats, and last one, notice the form, pick it up, nice straight line, row, beautiful, row, weights down, and stepping back, rest.